Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully go about resolving if you're coming across a corrupted boot or refs.dll file on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just click on the start button one time, type in CMD. Best match should go back with command prompt. You want to go right click on that and then select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. Now I'm going to have a couple commands in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy the first one here. So it's an SFC command. And then go up the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, left click on edit, and left click on paste to paste it in. Hit enter on your keyboard to run this command. It should take about 5 to 10 minutes to run, and then there will be another command we're going to run after this one. Okay, so once that first command's done, we're going to go run the second one here. Okay, so once that's done, close out of here, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.